Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I use flaxseed gel and onions juice for a hair loss treatment. This treatment is going to help you stop hair loss. Like, it's going to help you with if you are losing a lot or shedding a lot of hair. This treatment is going to help you out. So I braided my hair and I lost a lot of hair. Like, this is the amount of hair I lost, and I used this on my hair, and I'm so amazed by how it's really helps to strengthen my hair from breakage. And if you're interested, then kindly subscribe, like, share, and the amount of hair I lost after I braided my hair. Like, my hair really cut. So I decided to do a hair loss treatment. So first of all, we'll be using flaxseed. Flaxseed has amazing nutrient for hair growth. It helps to grow hair faster and longer. It provides nourishment to your hair follicles. Flaxseed is rich in vitamin like omega-3 fatty acid. Flaxseed gel, it helps to curl your hair, it helps to detangle your hair. So I'm just going to be cooking it, and when it's ready I will strain it hot. Okay, after straining it hot so I can remove the gel, I will add my onions. Okay, onions has amazing benefit for hair growth. So I chopped my onions and blending all those together. Like, onions prevent scalp infection, it helps to prevent hair loss. The sulfur in onions helps to regrow your hair follicles. Why I added ginger also. Ginger promotes hair growth, it boosts circulation of blood to your scalp, it prevents hair loss, it prevents gray hair, and it also prevents alopecia. So I'm just going to be straining the three ingredients. I'll be straining it because I need only the juice. So after straining this, I will also show you guys the next step we'll be doing. Please keep on watching. And guys, sorry about my voice, I have a little bit of flu, but I decided to do a voice note in this video because I need to bring out content for my YouTube family. So I hope you enjoy this one. So if I'm transferring this in my application bottle, and I love the consistency of this hair loss treatment. So please keep on watching for the next step. So guys, this is what my hair looks like. I'm going to be losing this braid I have, and show you all how I apply this treatment on my hair. Okay, so this is the treatment. I'm going to be applying it from the root to the bottom of my hair, guys. You need to apply this from the root to the bottom of your hair. Always remember the ends of your hair, because those parts are the oldest part of your hair, and they tend to get weak and they tend to break a lot. So I'll be applying this all over my hair, and I'll be massaging this also on my hair. The key point is to get this ingredient to enter all your hair, and make sure you massage your hair for the blood circulation to flow around your hair. So far, let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this recipe. Let me know, have you tried these three recipes together, like using flaxseed gel and onions juice and ginger? Like, this treatment, it's so nice on your 4C hair, even if you have a 4B hair, even if you have a 4A hair. Depending on your hair texture, this is gonna help you out. Even if you are relaxed, even if you're not natural, you are relaxed, this is gonna help you out. Just if you are just losing your hair and you are looking for a DIY treatment to stop hair loss, just try these three ingredients together, and you'll come back in my comment section and give me a review. So please keep on watching to the next step of this hair treatment. After applying this all over my hair, I'll use my clay frame to wrap my hair. If you have a polythene bag, you can use this, and I'll use my shower cap and cover my hair. If you have a hair dryer, you can sit under the hair dryer, but I don't have one, so I will just wait for 1 hour, and after 1 hour I will rinse this out. So fam, this is what my hair looks like after rinsing this treatment out from my hair. My hair felt so soft, so refreshed. So I'm going to be showing you how I style my hair. I hope this video was quite helpful for you. This really helped my hair from cutting. Like, my hair nowadays hardly cuts because I've been doing this as part of my pre-poo treatment. So I'm using this leave-in condition. I'll be sharing this video very soon. After this one, I'll be showing this video for you all so that you guys can see what the ingredients in this leave-in condition. So I'm using this leave-in condition to detangle my hair, and after detangle my hair, I'll be using my moringa butter because that butter is a giver. Like, it helps to bring your hair back to shape. Like, your hair will be so moisturized after using the leave-in condition and the moringa butter together. So I think I have come to the end of this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried these combos together. Let me know if you have tried it or if you will be trying this. Let me know in the comment section. This is gonna help you to stop hair breakage. Like, this really helps me to stop my hair from breaking. My hair breaked a lot when I did that braid, and this, I decided to do this treatment to stop my hair from breaking. No matter our hair, natural hair breaks a lot, but the amount of hair breakage I had when I did that braid was much. So at least now my hair breakage is not as much as before. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get a notification whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Oh, let's have a and my channel is all about DIY for hair growth, to help you regrow your hair, your alopecia, your bald spot. Always remember that your natural hair makes you beautiful. Love yourself and love your natural hair. So fam, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you all for the subscriptions. I really do appreciate. Alright guys, bye.